This is an aerial flood warning, issued at 7:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Flood warning now in effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Flooding is occurring due to snowmelt and runoff. Areas affected include a portion of southern West Virginia, including the following counties: Boone, Lincoln, and Logan. The hazardous weather can be expected until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 7:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, train spotters sent pictures of flooding on Garrett's Fork in Chapmanville, Logan County, West Virginia. Garrett's Fork has left its banks and has covered portions of the road. Lincoln County 911 Center reports flooding in Hamlin. Some business had been affected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Logan, Hamlin, Chapmanville, Spurlockville, Jill, Harts, Chief Logan State Park, Mount Gay Shamrock, Holden, West Hamlin, West Logan, Mitchell Heights, Mudd, Palermo, Alkel, Turtle Creek, Woodville, Yawkey, Griffithsville, and Myra. Flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Repeating, the aerial flood warning has been extended until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday for the following counties in West Virginia: Boone and Lincoln.